Hi, my name is Jason Cooper, the sales relationship coach, and welcome to TALSMART News Digest. Our team brings you a fresh story and a fresh perspective every week.
In a recent survey, 89% of IT sales managers noticed better performance when they gave their staff positive marks. A field as rough as tech sales definitely needs more positive feedback. Getting the right compliment can make a world of difference in performance, but how you phrase it matters too. Positive feedback is a compliment or praise someone gets for doing well at their job. This can be for being a team player or just for getting a sale. But how can you give them the right positive feedback? We got a couple of examples. One example is, congratulations to Sarah on leading her first social media campaign. To watch her grow from an assistant to the bold leader she is now has been an honor. I can't wait to see more of her amazing ideas going forward. Another would be, excellent job on this report, Adrian. It's clear you've taken our notes into consideration and have paid close attention to detail. The way you've organized your finding makes this report easy to break down with the rest of our team. Thank you for your hard work. Detailed praise that shows where your employees did well makes for excellent positive feedback and encourages them to keep up the good work. Want to learn how to make better positive feedback work for your organization? Try out our free sales course at talsmart.com/free sales training. You'll be glad you did.
At TALSMART, we want to inspire and motivate every salesperson to dream big and bring in that success. TALSMART is your go-to sales training and coaching partner that is totally focused on the IT and software vertical. If you want to find out more about what we do, please visit us at talsmart.com so you can learn more about the journey